This is a quick practical test of the Sokiovola 30w folder. Sun's out right now. It's a couple hours past sun peak. The USB on this is rated for 18 watts, and I'm getting pretty close to that 18 watts. And after this section, I have a bit of a recording for how it performed during cloudy weather too. Still got around 3 to 4 watts in clouds. That's pretty good. So yeah, this is quite the nice panel for 30 bucks. Sometimes it's more like 40, but still. Great option for backpacking. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery that makes it 37 watt hours. 18 watts at 37 watt hours, that gives me about 2.5 hours of full sun for a good charge. Probably 3 hours in practice. So yeah, this is quite the performer. Okay, and here is a cloudy weather test. You got 3.3 watts coming in. Sun's currently behind a cloud right now. So that's actually pretty decent for something directly behind a cloud, to be honest. It'll still get me some charge.